Well, it's going to be very difficult, Maya, because this particular court actually does not have the powers to grant bail. It's an appellate court. He will have to move the Punjab and Haryana High Court for bail, and it's very unlikely that he will get bail today because there are several formalities to be completed, a long procedure to be gone through. So at the moment, he has been sent into judicial custody. We can tell you that. And in 20 years, this is really the first time that Mr. Rathore will go to jail. And in fact, we are now joined by Mr. Anand Prakash, one of those crusaders who has been fighting for justice in this case. Let's talk to Mr. Anand Prakash.
Thank you so much for the speech.
Sir, if you could just tell us, firstly, how do you react to this verdict, sir? Come after a 20-year-long case.
बिल्कुल ये ठीक कदम है और हमें जुडिशरी पे पूरा भरोसा था और जुडिशरी ने डेमोक्रेसी को बचाया है.
So tell us, how big is this verdict for you?
This is a big verdict, not for me, for the entire nation, because people, powerful people, will have to obey the law of the land, and they will be punished if there is any violation of the law.
Right. So this is the first time that Rathore will go to jail in 20 years. How significant is that for you?
This is very significant because not me, everybody wants him behind the jail. Because he is a moving threat and now he will be cut to his size.
Right. And so this is of course just a molestation case. There are other FIRs that have been registered against Mr. Rathore. The CBI is still looking into those cases. What are your expectations, sir?
In that also we are expecting charge sheet very soon under section 306, 307, 305 and other sections. And the charge sheet will be filed very soon by the CBI.
Right. Sir, of course this is a very, very big day for you. You, your family has also been subjected to a great deal of harassment along with the Girotras over the last 20 years. What message do you think this sends out? A powerful man like Rathore will have to go to jail. He has not been shown any mercy by the court.
Now this will clearly send a message to the public. The man who may be very high in position, may be very rich, may be powerful, but he will have to obey the law of the land. And everybody is equal for the law and they will have to obey the law and they are below the law and they will have to follow the law.
So when Rathore was let off with a lighter 6-month sentence in the month of December, he came out smiling. That was a heartbreaking sight for all of you who had been fighting for justice. So how long have we come in this case between then and now?
No, nobody like Mr. Rathore will take the system for a ride, and nobody will laugh like that. That will be a slap on the face of the law and face of the nation. No, the judiciary have cut him to the size, and all such people should learn a lesson that if they are defaulters, they are molesters, they will be taken to task and stringent punishment will be given to them.
Right. So of course he is also facing charges of attempt to murder and abetment to suicide, which carries a maximum sentence of 10 years. How hopeful are you that those charges will be proved against him?
Yes, we have already submitted documentary as well as direct evidence, and there is no escape, and he will be punished for that. I am 100% sure.
So how relieved are you? 20 long years. Of course, you never wanted to give up, but clearly it's been a very difficult time for you, your family and the Girotras. How relieved are you today and how big a victory is this?
Today I feel great relief, and it is a relief to all the victims. And it is a shock, it will be a shock to all the molesters and all the lawbreakers.
Right. And so finally, given the clout that Rathore has wielded all these years, that he has used really to manipulate the system, sir, do you think this will send out a message that people, however powerful, however well connected, cannot commit such acts and get away with it?
Yes, this is a clear message. And there is one message more, that wherever there is, injustice, everybody should stand against injustice. And ultimately, truth will prevail and truth will win. This will be the message.
Right. And so also, sir, this has personally been a very difficult journey for you. Your family was also subjected to systematic harassment. How difficult has it been, sir?
This was very difficult, but we are satisfied that ultimately we are near our goal and we have achieved something and we will fully achieve justice in this matter.
But sir, you are saying you're still not, while you're happy, but you're still not content with the sentence he's got, you're going to appeal against it?
Yes, we will appeal against it also, but we will concentrate more on the other 3 FIRs.
Right. And sir, you also want the sentence to be enhanced to 2 years?
Yes, definitely.
So thank you so much for talking to us.
Tuba.com